Hey, I'm Aaron Marcus. I just got back from giving workshops in South Africa. I am also heading to Atlanta later today. I just got booked on an ABC TV series, so I'm going to be shooting down there for a number of days. Can't wait to do that. Hey, but I wanted to let you know I am going to be bringing my Book the Job workshop to Columbus, Ohio on April the 13th. I'm really excited. Always love doing workshops there. I'm going to have two separate sessions. One is going to run from 10 to 1, the other from 1:30 to 4:30, and you can sign up for either one. I also wanted to let you know that I'm only going to accept 10 people maximum for each session. And that way I can give everybody personalized attention. The other thing that's really cool, if you have a headshot and a resume and or any commercial photos, bring them to the workshop. I will personally take them, leave them on Allie's desk. She is the head agent at PCG Talent. That's where the workshop's going to be happening. I can tell you, having me personally deliver photos is going to be much better for you than just uploading them or mailing them. So anyhow, feel free to bring those with you. Here's what we're going to be doing. It's going to be so much, everything from teaching you how to use your nervousness to your advantage. We will be talking about techniques and ways to prepare before an audition. We will have some practice auditions. I'll record them, play them back, critique them. We'll have a practice go-see, which is the audition for models. I'm also going to be showing you techniques to use when working with photographer that will make your photos explode. We'll talk about everything from shooting auditions from home, how to create a great resume, even with little to no experience, how to market yourself, help your agent by getting work on your own. There's so much that we're going to be covering during this 3-hour session. So use the link below, sign up as quickly as possible, because like I said, once I reach 10 people for each session, I'm going to close the doors just because I want to make sure I give everybody personalized attention. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at Aaron, AARON, at howtoactandmodel.com. But really, use the link below, sign up as soon as possible, and I can't wait to work with you on April the 13th.